everyone, Lucas here with FastCap. Oh, I just dropped my tape measure again. If that's ever happened to you, this is the product for you. This is the tape lock. It's a belt clip that locks your FastCap tape measure to your belt. Super simple, easy release, one hand, no extra motion. It's actually probably easier than failing around with a normal pocket belt clip. And to put it back in, same thing, just slide it in place, automatically locks itself in place, won't go anywhere. Never drop your tape measure again, never damage a floor, never damage a tape measure. You're gonna love this product. Get yours today, FastCap.com. All right, so here's the way it works. It's gonna come with one of these little black plastic pieces. You're gonna remove the belt clip that's on your tape measure and screw that piece to your tape measure. Once you've done that, you can take the tape lock belt clip, and if you push these two tabs on the back to squeeze this together, you'll be able to open it up. Once it's opened up, very easy to just slide under your belt. And then once it's under your belt, all you have to do to lock it on is just push, and it's gonna snap right into place. It's got these two little locking tabs that will push themselves together and lock very securely until you squeeze to open it back up. Once it's on your belt, put your tape measure in, simply push down. When you push down, it's going to push on this red slider, opening it up and allowing the tape measure part to slide down in, and then the slider springs back into place, locking it in place. So you can see that can't go anywhere. Go run a marathon with that thing on. Then to release it, you have this red tab right here. It's nice and bright, so it's easy to identify. Really, even if you touch your tape measure, it's exactly where your thumb already wants to be. So there's really no wasted motion. You just push down a little bit as you reach down, and your tape measure will come right out. In, out, super easy, probably actually easier than struggling with a standard belt clip, and when it's on your belt, super secure. You can also use this as a bench mount attachment. Makes your tape lock to a bench, or more importantly, to the wall of a work truck, so you won't lose it. Your truck's rallying around. Simply open it up, drill 2 holes vertically in the center piece. You need the wings to be able to move so that it'll lock, and then put 2 screws through. I'm using 3/8 inch bugle heads. Worked great. Just push it closed, and your tape measure can lock to your bench just like that. This will work with any of our 25-foot or 16-foot standard tape measures. So that's the metric standard, the standard full side reading one, the metric full side reading one, the story pull with a little spot to make your marks and transfer them over, the old standby standard imperial tape measure, or any of our flatbacks, which come in all these different blade styles. Only available at FastCap.com. Get yours today. You're gonna love this product.